Hello friends, today I will show you how you can make a passport size photograph using a Microsoft Word without using a Photoshop. So let's start step by step.
For we have to be open MS Word, which I have opened here, and go to the Insert tab. This is Insert tab. Go to the Insert tab and click on the pictures and select your photos. So I'll select this. Now go to crop section. You will see this black in the corner. Now we need to crop these photos to match the passport size. So click on this photo and go to form picture format and this crop tools. So first we have to be crop this tool on properly as look like a passport. Is it okay? All right. Now we have to crop this, adjust and crop. Now next is we need to resize the photo. So for the resizing this photo, either we have to be right click on the pictures and go to size and position like this, or we can directly write it here what we need size for the passport size. So passport size photograph height should be 4.5 centimeter and width should be 3.5 centimeters. So let's set it and width little bit lesser. I think we have not selected in right one. So we can recrop once again. Make it 4.5. Here make it 3.5. Okay, fine. Now make it here in front of this layout. After that we have to be put it on top. Now copy and paste the resized photos, arrange 4 or 6 on a single page so that when you print it will you will get a multiple passport size photos on the sheet, on a one sheet. So like if you want to be make a duplicate, need to be press Control Shift and drag it like this. Again, as we have to photograph, so we have to select both, press Control along with we have to be pressed along with the shift and drag it like this. You will be get more copy. Now as we have one more space here, so we have to be drag one more. This is almost 5 photos. Now you can select all of them, resize once again, so that while you are printing, your passport photograph will not cut anywhere if it is in a center. Now again we need to be press the shift and control and drag all of them. So this is the again 5 more photographs. We need to press the control and select more whatever we have it here, and again we have to be press shift plus control and drag. Same duplicate we are getting it here. So still we have a lot of place, so we have to be drag once more like this. Still we have some place, like one layer we can, so let's deselect this, press control plus shift and drag down one more. Now you can see your passport size photographs are ready in your Microsoft Word. So finally, you can take a printout and cut the photo neatly with scissors. Your passport size photo are ready. For taking a print, you need to be press Ctrl plus P, or you need to go to File menu and select Print from here. Your interface will be like this, and select your the printer and take a print.